Hi friends, great morning and welcome to Daily Analysis. Friends, before going in detail, I want to invite all you to tomorrow's masterclass. Tomorrow, sharp 7:30 p.m. we will have price action secret, and after tomorrow we have super power trader. So both will start at 7:30 p.m. and ends by 9:30 p.m. I want all you to register for this masterclass. Link to register for this masterclass is there in the description. So click on the link and register for the masterclass. If you're watching first time my channel, make sure you subscribe the channel, hit on the like button, comment in the comment box what are the more information you want from this daily analysis. Friends, whatever information which I'm sharing through this video are my personal studies and personal views. So I don't guarantee you any success or profit from these trades. So you make sure you do your own analysis and maintain proper risk-reward ratio before taking any trades. Let us start the analysis. Now, I will share the screen first. So first we will do what happened yesterday. I told yesterday a couple of things. One, we have a CPR here and there is a probability somewhere it can recover and go back and touch CPR, right? So you can see there was a recovery happened, but it couldn't go and touch the CPR range, right? But at the same time, I told we have a virgin CPR and that virgin CPR now got broke, right? Now we have one more virgin CPR which is of starting at 5,793 to 5,725 level, right? So, but the strength of the virgin CPR would have been come down now because already 3 days over. But still, we should be slightly cautious at that level in case if the price comes to that level, right? Now, what we need to check here is yesterday, even though the first half it was on the downside, there was a buying in the second half, right? And there was a clear buying interest happened in crude oil, right? So always I say that today's trades are actually continuation of previous day. So yesterday's buying interest likely to continue, right? That we need to keep in mind. Now, first we will do a daily candle analysis. We will start with the daily candle analysis, right? Now, first we need to understand that yesterday, even though price has come down all the way near to our zone, see, you can see the wall, right? It came exactly at the level from there the buying interest happened, right? So what it means, that level is a very strong support level, correct? Now, today, see, the market opened and started coming down. Maybe in case if it coming down, we have a strong support at this level, near to the yesterday's low level, right? In case if it going up somewhere near to 5,500 and 5,950 level, which is our 20 EMA, we need to be cautious, which is a 20 EMA, right? So these are the two things which we need to understand. And according to this pattern, still see, it's not neither bullish. See, I'll be bullish only above previous day's high, right? And see, it's not a big bearish also, right? So I will be more bearish if it coming below previous day's low or this below this wall, right? So today likely to play within the level, but since it is a Wednesday and we have an inventory, one side we may get a good rally. That's what I am expecting, right? So according to the price action at each location, we need to identify it, right? And you can see this even 30-minute candle of NYMEX again showing morning it opened above CPR and started coming down. Now it's playing within the CPR range, right? So sometimes there is a probability it can take a support somewhat. Now, what we need to understand here, the CPR is a slightly wide CPR, right? It's not narrow CPR. Normally, Wednesday, since we are expecting a trending day, but the CPR is not supporting for the trending day. See, the CPR is telling it can be sideways, right? So we need to keep in mind that also. Now, the daily candle of NYMEX, again, the same pattern which we have seen in MCX, same pattern, it went all the way up and near to the 20 EMA, today, I mean, open, it started coming down. So it's taking a resistance near to the 20 EMA. So if the price comes down somewhere middle or whatever level, it can again bounce back. Or if the price goes up above 20 EMA, there can be a buying interest, right? And mainly the bullishness, I will start only above the previous day's high, right? Which is around 72.34 or whatever, right? Now we will do the proper analysis of the levels using 30-minute candle of our MCX, right? Now CPR starts from 5894 to 5924, right? So 5894 to 5924, which is again a wide CPR. So the CPR is telling it can be a sideways day, but since it's a Wednesday, we should be cautious. It can be a trending day also, right? So as of now, see, even though there was a bearish candles, which was not strong enough for a selling, right? And in case, let us see the probabilities. In case if it coming down, let us say if it making any pattern here, and if it coming down, we have one support, which is our weekly pivot at 5,854 level. Then below that, we have previous day's low, what we need to take care of, right? So somewhere from the weekly pivot to previous day's low, we need to mark as a zone, right? Anywhere it can take a support. Okay. If it breaking, then there can be a selling pressure, which can lead to 5735, and even below, even it can come to 5640 or 5,559 levels, right? But that kind of pressure, as of now, it's not showing. If you see the previous day's pattern, it's not showing that kind of pressure, right? Now, in case if it reversing back and breaking CPR, we need to be cautious at previous day's high. That can be first target above CPR. That can be the first target, which is around 5978 level. And we have a virgin CPR here, right? Yesterday's CPR, the price couldn't touch yesterday's CPR, which is a virgin CPR. So if price goes to those level, it can likely to take a resistance, which again 6,000 for 6,014 to 6,031 level, right? So somewhere near to that level, and we have a resistance zone, a resistance line also there at 6019 level. So in case if it going up, there it can likely to take a resistance. If it breaks, next level is 6072. And above that, 6147. These are the levels on the upside, what I am looking, right? So we need to take action according to the price action at each location, right? So that's all in this video, friends. So thank you very much for watching. Before winding up, I want to inform you one more thing. In case if you wish to trade through a algo trade, see, we have a facility to provide an algo trading platform. So we have found some strategies, which is actually given a lot of proven records. So those kind of strategies, if you want to invest or if you want to try it, you can always contact our team and we will be there to help you, right? So that's all in today's video. We'll meet in tomorrow's video. Thank you very much. Wishing you all a very happy and successful trading. Thank you.